friends, welcome back to my channel Learn with Shaista S. So friends, hope you all are fit and fine. So after a long time, I am with you all with an interesting and very simple game in Scratch. This is very small but so interesting animation in Scratch. So it is a kind of simple and short animation that whenever we are clicking on this ball, so that monkey is playing with ball like a catch up game. So let's first click on this ball. You can see how it's playing. I will just make this ball to be here. So again I will click on this ball and the monkey will play. Again the monkey is playing. He catch it. Again he catch it. I will throw the ball to there and again he will catch that. I will throw this ball to here, so he will also catch it again. Again I will make it to the bottom, so he will catch it. You can see how this animation made. It's very interesting, very enjoyable, but short but so enjoyable. So let's learn how I create this. Before starting guys, I want to tell you, if you didn't like my video yet, so please like it, share it, subscribe to my channel if you didn't subscribe to my channel yet. So now we are going to create a new game on this with a new desktop. So I will delete this cat sprite regular. First I will take a backdrop from backdrop library guys. Let's take a great backdrop which can be a playing field. So let's see where is a playing field. Yeah, this one, playing field. So in this time we don't have any coding of the backdrop. Now we have to take a ball and monkey. So first we will take a ball. So let's take a ball. So yeah, there are so many costumes and sprites are here. Let's take this ball. You can change its color and its size too. It means you can change its whole costume. There are so many costumes you can see from this clicking on costume. You can make a different costume too by clicking on these costumes. So you can see there are yellow, blue, pink, green and purple. These 4-5 kind of costumes are here. So now let's take a monkey. So from the animal categories, I will take a monkey. So even you can change the costume of monkey too if you want, but I will take a normal. So yeah, this monkey I have taken. Now we need to first make it size. So the size of monkey is 100 and even the size of ball is 100. So it's perfect. You can manage their position. Now click on this ball. Okay, then go in events block and choose when there's a sprite clicked. Whenever this sprite will click, so what will happen? We will go in looks block and we will go in front layer. So scroll down it slowly. You will get this. Go to front layer. I can do that so you can see properly now. Go to front layer and then I will go in events block and I will take this broadcast. So instead of message 1, I will create a new message and the message will be play. So it will be a play and I will just drag it here. After stick that, I will go in, you can go in this, you can go in the control block by clicking on control and you can take this wait until. Wait until, we will wait until that the ball is touching to the monkey. So now what will happen? I will go in this sensing block and I will take touching mouse pointer. So instead of touching mouse pointer, I will take monkey and I will institute it here. I will drag this here. After this, I want to sound magical and such a great sound. So I will choose a boing sound if you don't have. So you can take from sound library. Then I will go in control block and I will take repeat 10 times. Now I wanted to move it up and down, move the ball up and down. So for up and down, as we all know that the position is only Y, and for left and right the position is X. So now we want the Y, right? So for that I will go in motion block and I will just drag it here slowly. I will scroll down it and you can see I got change Y by 10. So instead of 10 I will do it -5 and then again I will go in control block and I will take it repeat 10 times again, and then again I will go in motion block. I will scroll down it slowly and I will take it change Y by 10. So instead of 10 I will take it 5. After taking this 5, the coding of ball has been done. Now let's go on the monkey's coding. So the monkey coding is very simple. That what we have to do, we have to go in events block and we have to choose when I receive play. We will receive a monkey will receive a play card and play message. So what will happen? We will go in motion block and we will choose glide 1 sex 2. Glide 1 sex 2 random position not. We will take its ball. Okay. After taking this guys, we have to wait for 1 second after playing one time. So I will wait 1 second it and again I will go in motion block and I will take it glide 1 sex 2. So the x will be, you can take it minus 50. Okay, or you can say minus 52 or minus 50. If you will do minus 52, so it will go here, but if you want minus 50 you can take. Okay, and the y will be positive 60 or you can say 60. So this is the simple coding of monkey. Now save this and let's play here. So I will click on this ball. You can see how the monkey is playing. Again I will just click on this ball. Again I will throw this ball to there and I will click to the ball. So what is happening? You can see the monkey is playing. Again I will throw this ball to here. So he will play like this here. Monkey will come here. You can see how it's playing. Now let's play it on the full screen. So I will click on this ball. You can see how it's playing. Wow, I am enjoying guys. That's great. So yes friends, that's all about today. If you like this video, so please like it because this animation is very easy but so interesting and enjoyable. So just like it, share it, and if you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, so please guys subscribe to my channel for more content and tell me in comment section how was my this video. Thanks for watching.